Let's learn how you can get QR code for your Wi-Fi on iPhone. So let's start by opening our shortcut application. It's pre-built application that comes when you get the iOS device. So you can just click on App Library and search for shortcuts. So open it and head over to Gallery. Here you want to click on search again and tap QR your. Then click on search and scroll down a bit. This first shortcut QR your Wi-Fi comes. So you want to click on plus and now go back to library once you have this check mark in top corner of this shortcut. So on library you will see QR your Wi-Fi. Click on it and here you need to write the name of your Wi-Fi. Click on done. Here you need to enter the password for it and click on done. Now it will make you a QR code that you can screenshot and save on your gallery. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.